Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad and so happy to see you once again in this new video. Forgive me if my voice is a bit husky. I've not been well for a few days. For those of you who do not know, for those of you who have not yet joined, I have a private chat in Telegram channel. You can join via the link in the description box down below. You need to write me with the code word money team to my personal chat, and then I'll add you to this team so that you can be able to trade as well, get trading signals, be able to make some money, and also be able to enjoy life and also be happy with your trades and avoid risks. So let's get into the very first trade and see. So hi everyone, so today we'll be trading with Quotex platform, and I will show you how to withdraw the money at the end of this video. I also will use a deposit of $1 and try to overclock it to $5,000. So stay tuned until the end of this video and see if I achieve my goal, and also see how to withdraw money from Quotex platform. So let's get our very first situation. Here there is support level, and also there has been a very good downward movement, and at the moment there is sticking to the level and the price maximum is getting lower. So I'm entering a trade for 3 minutes with a decrease with a reserve, because I'm expecting after a small flat or a small rollback up, downward movement will continue. So let me wait and see the results. Well, it's awesome. There has been a small flat, but price continued moving down and I've got my profit. So let me continue trading. So here there is support level, and there is also a downtrend happening, and there is a price range. So I think I'll enter a trade for 3 minutes with down, because I see that price is at the highest point of the price range and there must be a downward movement after this. So let me wait and see the results. Well, it's awesome. The price kept on moving down and it has brought me my profit. And I notice here now that the support level hasn't been broken through and the price is moving in this price range. So I think I'm going to enter my next trade here with a decrease for 3 minutes, expecting the level to be broken through. Well, it's lit. As you can see, there has been downward movement and this level is broken through, and I've collected my brilliant profit. Also now you can see after impulsive breakthrough, the price has slowed down a little. So I'm entering the next trade here again for an increase for 1 minute, and I'm sure there will be a small pullback up. So let me wait and see for the results. It's lit. As you can see, there has been a small bounce and I've closed my trade profitably. This life was enough here. So as you can see in this situation on the left of the chart, you can see resistance level and price has touched this level, and there was a small bounce down, and also there was also a false breakout, which is a place where there are weak candlesticks will be on the level. So I'm entering a 3 minute trade for an increase, and I'll wait for the results and see. Well, it's lit. The price has continued moving to the resistance level, and then it was broken through and it has brought me very cool profit. So now I noticed that after the impulsive breakthrough of the level, the price has slowed down. I can also see the small candlesticks, and I think that very soon there will be a small bounce down, like in most cases. So I'm going to enter a trade for 2 minutes with a decrease and wait for the results. So I like this. There has been a bounce down and it has brought me my profit, as you can see. So let me continue. Well, this is the support level here, and right now downward movement is happening. Now the price has bounced up a little, and I'm going to enter a trade for 3 minutes for a decrease because I'm expecting the price to move down and then break through this level. So let me wait for the results. Well, it's very good. There was a price flat, but anyways, price continued its movement and I've got the profit from this trade. And I think that soon the price will be moving to this level because I can see the bounce up. So I'm going to enter a 3-minute trade with a decrease because downward movement will continue. So let me wait and see the results. Well, it's very good. The price moved down and the support level was broken through, and it has brought me my excellent profit. So let me continue trading. Well, at the bottom you can see support level, and as well there is a downward trend and the price maximum is getting lower here. So I'm going to enter a trade for a decrease for 3 minutes, expecting the price to move to this level and maybe this level will be broken through. So let's wait and see for the results. Well, it's not bad. The price continued moving to this level and it has brought me my profit. As you can see that the price has approached this level. There was a flat and even false breakout of the support level, and then the price bounced up again, and after the bounce the downward movement is still going on. So I'm going to enter the next trade here for a decrease for 3 minutes and I'll wait and see the results. Well, it's lit. After the small flat, the downward movement continued and the support level was broken through. I've got my very excellent profit. So the next trade I'm going to enter here again because after the breakthrough, the price is going down and I think that it will continue to the next level. So I'll do it for 2 minutes for a decrease and wait for the results. Well, it's not bad. The price kept on moving down and it has brought me my profits and I like that. So I chose this time. And also you can see that the price has stopped moving here and there is attenuation. So I'll open the next transaction here and do it for an increase for 1 minute only because I'm expecting a bounce up soon. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. Well, it's lit. There has been a bounce up and I've got my profit. So 1 minute was very good here. So in this case, bounce up will open after a while. So it's best to wait here and trade here again because after the bounce up, there will be the downward movement. So I will now enter a trade for 3 minutes with a decrease. Because after a small flat, I suppose that the downward movement will continue. So let me check it and see for the results. Well, I like it. The price continued moving down and I've got the profit. 3 minutes was enough here, as you can see. And this currency pair was very good. So in this moment there is a new support level and anyway the price is moving down and I'll enter a trade for 1 minute for a decrease here because the price will probably continue moving to this level. So let me wait and see the results. Well, it's awesome. The price continued moving down as I said, and I have closed this trade profitably. So let me find a new situation. So on the left of this chart, you can see the support level. It's the lowest line, and a little bit higher is the inner support level where price is. So coming back to the current chart, and here there was a false breakout of our inner level, and it's a flat happening. So I'm entering a 2-minute trade with a decrease because I think the price will continue moving down to this level, and probably this level will be broken through and move to the next level. So let's wait and see the results. Well, it's late. The price kept on moving down, and I've got the profit, and I'm ready to find another situation to work on. So here there is a current downtrend, and also price touched the support level and there was a bounce up, and after bounce the price started again to approach this level again, and I can also see that the price maximum is getting lower and has been sticking to the level. So in this situation, I'm entering a trade for 3 minutes with a decrease, expecting the price to continue moving and then break through this level. Well, it's awesome. The price continued moving down and it has brought me my profit. And also note that the price range has formed now and the price has been moving in this range. So I'm entering the next trade here because price has bounced to the highest point of this price range, and it's a very good point to open a trade for a decrease. So let me wait and see the results. It's very good. From this level there was a rollback down and we have got our profit, as 3 minutes was enough here, and as price continued moving in this range from level to level. So I would like to finish my trading here because my plan for today has been achieved, which is $5,000, and it's very good. So let me leave an application for withdrawing the money earned. So for this you need to click the withdraw button in the upper right corner and you are getting the withdrawal menu. In this field you set the amount that you want to withdraw. My card details have already been filled in, so I won't really show you how to do that. You just need to click on the confirm button and very soon the amount will be deducted from my account, and only $5 now will remain in my deposit, which I can use next time for trading. So the amount I requested will come to my card within 48 hours, so I'll wait for it and see later. So as you saw, I managed to hit my goal for today as well, which was $5,000, and I'm so happy and I'm so glad. So you can be able to do it as well. You need to join my private channel in Telegram. You need to write me with the code word money team to my personal chat, and I'll be able to add you to this team so that you can be able to receive trading signals once a day and be able to trade and make some profit. So guys, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to comment down below and hit the notification button. So until next time, bye bye.